Hello. Let us unboxing the books uh, I had ordered for UPSC preparation. So even I have not seen the, I have not unboxing. So let's see which books are this, because I had ordered different books like for all subjects. So yeah, let's first open this one.
Sure. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, it has reached. This one is the student atlas, Oxford student atlas for geography, for geography. And this one is the answer answer sheet. I'll show you. This is the answer sheet you will be getting while you are writing for a man's paper. So I'll just show you. Just wait for a moment. Okay. Yeah, this is the paper. This is how exactly you will get the men's answer writing. This is the paper. So you can order it from Amazon. If you want, I will just link down the uh, these books in the description. Now let's move on to the next book.
Okay. Yes.
This is the UPSC ISA prelims last 28 years papers. So yeah, that's it. I'll, and more books are yet to be reached here, and then I'll I'll be reviewing all these books. And yeah, all the best. Thank you.